In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set automatic bidding on eBay. If you've never used eBay auctions before, automatic bidding is a helpful feature that lets eBay bid for you up to the maximum amount you choose. That means you don't need to manually place a new bid every time someone else bids against you. It's a simple way to stay competitive while still keeping control over your spending. To get started, go to eBay and type the product you want into the search bar. Be as specific as you need to be so you can narrow down the results and find the item that best matches what you're looking for. Once you enter your search, you'll be taken to the results page where all related listings appear. From there, click on the auction filter. This is important because not every eBay listing is sold through bidding. Some items are listed as fixed price purchases, so selecting auction helps you focus only on listings where automatic bidding can be used. After you apply that filter, the page will update and show only auction-based items. Next, select the product you want. Take a moment to make sure you've chosen the correct listing, since auction items can sometimes look similar at first glance. Opening the product page gives you access to the bidding options and lets you review the listing details before moving forward. Once you're on the item page, click on Place Bid. This opens the bidding section where eBay allows you to enter your bid amount. This is the point where automatic bidding is essentially set up because eBay will use the amount you provide as your maximum bid limit. Now, enter the amount you want to bid. This should be the highest amount you're personally willing to pay for the item. eBay will not necessarily bid that full amount immediately. Instead, it raises your bid gradually only when needed based on competing bids, and it will stop once your maximum amount has been reached. That's what makes automatic bidding so useful. It helps you stay in the auction without constantly watching it. As a helpful tip, make sure the amount you enter is one you're fully comfortable with before submitting it. Since eBay may continue bidding automatically on your behalf, it's best to decide your limit in advance and stick to it. And that's how to set automatic bidding on eBay. Once your maximum bid is entered, eBay handles the bidding process for you up to that amount, making auctions much easier to manage.